My name is Cathal Mullin. I am a search manager for about 16 years at this point, doing it a very long time, and you're all very welcome to join me for a PPC Masterclass at the start of December, where I'll be covering a number of things that I've learned over the years in terms of advanced ways of managing your paid search activity. We will be looking at keyword research and using Excel for PPC, so power using Excel for PPC. We will be looking at using Google Ads Editor, which is a great tool to mass manage all aspects of your paid search account. We will look at forecasting, how you can predict different scenarios in terms of your paid search outcomes, using your metrics and using your insights. Equally, we'll look at advanced structuring of accounts in terms of daily budgets and devices, as well as conversion impact. We'll also look at things like structures in relation to match type, negative keywords, and different things like that to refine your traffic. We'll look at using Google Analytics for PPC. We'll look at search queries and day parting and how to optimize those based on the data we see. And then finally, we'll look at things like Google Ads experiments to help us understand how we can A/B test different aspects of our Google Ads activity. So it'll be a good class, and we'll cover lots and lots of different topics, but fairly advanced level stuff. So for anyone who really wants to step up their paid search activity, certainly join us for that class because it's going to be a lot of fun.